Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro addressed public concerns over slow flood control investigations, saying thorough reviews are underway before any action is taken. Here is the report.
Malacanang said President Bongbong Marcos is closely monitoring the ongoing three-day rallies organized by the Iglesia ni Cristo and the United People's Initiative. During One News's special coverage of the protest, Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro assured the public that security preparations are sufficient.
Handa naman ang ating kapulisan, handa ang ating gobyerno dahil alam naman natin na magkakaroon ng 3 araw na rally. So hindi naman ito pinabayaan ng PNP. Ang PNP, ang direktiba dyan, ay panatilihin ang kapayapaan at proteksyon ng ating mga kababayan. Monitor pa rin ang Pangulo within the vicinity ng Malacanang. So, nakikita naman po niya ang galaw ng ating mga kababayan.
Castro also addressed growing public frustration over the slow pace of investigations into flood control project. She explained that the review process involves large volumes of documents and multiple ongoing investigations, all of which must be completed before further action can be taken.
Ang problema kasi maraming propagandista na gusto talagang ito ang isentro na ang bagal-bagal ng Pangulo, ang bagal-bagal ng gobyerno. 3 months pa lang ang dami na nasampahan na kaso eh. Dapat yun yung maintindihan ng tao.
The Palace Press Officer also reacted to former Ako Bicol Partylist Congressman Zaldico allegations linking President Marcos and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez to alleged budget insertions in the proposed 2025 national budget. She described Co's claims as inconsistent.
So, ang dami-daming inconsistencies na sana yung mga kababayan natin na bukas yung isip, hindi mga blind followers ng kung sino-sino, mabuksan yung isip nila na itong mga sinasabi ni Zaldico ay pawang kasinungalingan, walang ebidensya, tahi-tahi. At yung sinasabing expose na mukhang ayon sa kanyang mga kaalyado, expose, naging comedy series na. Dahil katawa-tawa talaga yung mga sinasabi niya. Ito mga timing na to, hindi namin napag-usapan ng Pangulo to. Sa akin o sa kanya, hindi niya to nabanggit sa akin. But ako, sabi ko nga personally, yung pagkakaramdam ko is meron gumamit. May gumagamit kay Zaldico, mukhang may nangako na kapag naiba ang liderato.
Meanwhile, Castro and political analyst Malu Tiquia had a heated exchange over questions regarding Orly Goteza's whereabouts.
Siguro alam ni Yuse kung nasan si Goteza.
Bakit naman sa akin ibibintang? Baka kayo may alam. Kayo naman yata may kakilala dyan.
Hindi, ikaw nasa gobyerno eh.
Pero teka lang, sino ba nag-present sa kanila?
Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-present. Please do not accuse me.
Hindi kami nag-present dyan. Baka kaalyado nyo nag-present dyan.
Hindi, ayan ang propaganda. Biro mo ang assertion mo. Ako kasama?
Ba't mo hinahanap sa akin? Baka alam mo.
Alam mo, pag ikaw ang estado, never mind.
Well, let's
I respect this show. I do not want to go to the gutter.
So don't start kasi. You're putting something to me.
But you are representing government.
But still, bakit ko malalaman? Hindi ako nag-present dyan. Bakit mo sa akin